One small Windows setting can help protect your Windows system. Don't let anyone to change your Windows Registry Editor settings. So here is it, how to block to access. Step number 1. Close the slide. Click on the search bar. Then type here Edit. Then click on the Edit Group Policy tab. So in this slide, simply double click on this user configuration. So right hand side panel, simply double click on the administrative templates. So in this slide, click on the system tab, double click on this. And then after this, simply scroll down. And here you just need to look out for this option, prevent access to registry editing tools. Simply double click on this tab. So in this slide, you just need to check this box enabled. Then click on the apply tab. Then click on the OK tab. Then close this slide. Again, press the Windows plus R key together. Then type this simple command, Regedit. Then click on the OK tab. And boom. So as you can see, now the Windows Registry Editor is access to blog. But wait, before I sign out, if this tutorial helps you, do not forget to like, comment, share and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.